in the wake of that historic fire there. Excuse me, I have a bit of a cold. Firefighters have performed breathtaking acts of heroism while their own home.
Good one.
Excuse me, I have a bit of a cold.
Oh my God.
And I just think that it's been one of the great pleasures of my presidency to be able to work with one. I mean that sincerely. And I just think that it's been one of the great pleasures of my presidency to be able to work with one. I mean that sincerely.
Mr. President, what is your red line that would prompt U.S. military involvement in this war?
Mr. President, your team said you have tough questions.
Mr. President, what is your red line that would prompt U.S. military involvement in this war?
Today, I'm also announcing $100 million in new U.S. funding for humanitarian assistance in both Gaza and the West Bank.
What you say?
Today, I'm also announcing $100 million in new U.S. funding for humanitarian assistance in both Gaza and the West Bank.
Oh, right.
Good. Good day.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I just threw up in my mouth a little bit.
And if Putin attacks a NATO ally, we will defend every inch of NATO which the treaty requires and calls for. We'll have something that we do not seek. Make it clear, we do not seek. We do not seek to have American troops fighting in Russia or fighting against Russia.
I heard that somewhere.
We will defend every inch of NATO which the treaty requires and calls for.
And there are still thousands of migrants, majority Venezuelan, attempting to come over and turn themselves into Border Patrol officials on the El Paso side, just overwhelming the resources here on both sides of the border. Check out these stunning images here of just how massive this group is, standing there for hours in the scorching heat, waiting to pass that concertina wire and to be processed. We constantly witness groups of migrants make their way to the border and try to get past that concertina wire and onto U.S. soil.
No, you're right.
I know you're not backing a woman to be president in the next election because I know you'll be backing President Biden loud and clear. Does he still have the energy for another 5 years in the job?
Absolutely. He's very involved, very vibrant, is doing an excellent job. And I think when we face the kinds of troubles that we have in the Middle East, you can see the benefit of deep experience and understanding of global issues.
Is the U.S. supporting the hostages for a ceasefire deal?
Why did you? We should have a ceasefire. Not a ceasefire. We should have a hostage release, and then we can talk.
Has there been any progress on that, Mr. President?
Okay, thank you, Press. We're going to line up here by the door.
Now I feel better.
We should have a ceasefire.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Look, we're talking about real money here to save people, and it's just going to start kicking in now. You know, and as we take these actions, I continue to call on Congress to pass what my friends in the front row here mostly support, the Junk Fee Prevention Act. Hard to say. Anyway, but all kidding aside.
Why are you running?
The Junk Fee Prevention Act.
I'm out of here.